When rationalizing, we multiply both the top and bottom number with an inverse of the denominator, the bottom number. So what I mean by inverse is we keep the 3, we keep the square root of 5, but we change the sign. So it will be 3 plus square root of 5 instead of 3 minus square root of 5. Yeah, we multiply both top and number. Wait, what? Top and bottom numbers. Sorry. Alright, now we just expand. 2 times 3, that is 6. Negative square root of 2 times 3, that's negative 3 square root of 2. 2 times square root of 5, that's 2 square root of 5. And negative square root of 2 times positive square root of 5 is negative square root of 10. Because remember this law, square root of a times square root of b is equals to square root of a times b. Now we do the denominator. Okay, whatever. So for the bottom numbers, we can actually use this algebraic identity. A minus b times a plus b is equals to a squared minus b squared. As we can see here in our case, the a is 3 and the b is square root of 5. We can see that these two forms, this and this, are both exactly the same. Look at this, a minus b times a plus b. So we can just rewrite this in the form of this, a squared minus b squared. Since our a is 3, I'll write 3 squared minus our b is square root of 5, so I'm gonna write square root of 5 squared because it's b squared. Remember? Yeah. Alright, now we just simplify. Look at the top number. We cannot simplify this. They all have different variables. So negative 3 has a variable of square root of 2. But this one has a square root of 5. And this one is square root of 10. And this one is just 6. So they're all different. You can't simplify them. Even though it looks super long and simplifiable, it isn't. So we just rewrite it. 6 minus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 5 minus root 10 over 3 squared, that is 3 times 3, which is 9, minus square root of 5 squared. So you can just cancel the square and the square root, so we're just left with 5. So it's 9 minus 5. So our answer is 6 minus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 5 minus root 10, because we can't simplify the top number, over 9 minus 5, 4. And we're done. Give me a sec, I'm gonna eat my apples. Apples are really good, guys. Alright, so we do the same thing like we did for A. Instead, the bottom number is 6 plus 2 root 2. So we times both top and bottom numbers by the inverse of this bottom number. So 6 minus 2 root 2 over 6 minus 2 root 2. Yeah, we're multiplying both the top and bottom numbers. Alright, so we just 3 times 6, that is 18. 3 times negative 2 root 2. 3 times negative 2, that's negative 6. And we just add the root 2. Over the a squared minus b squared. A in this case is 6, so I'm going to write it as 6 squared minus 2 root 2 squared. Alright, So I'm gonna rewrite the top number. 6 squared, that is 6 times 6, so it's 36, minus, okay, so the square here actually just distributes to both the 2 and the square root of 2. So 2 squared, that's equals to 4, many times, right? And the square root of 2 squared, the square root and the square cancels out, so we're just left with 2. 4 times 2, that is 8. And we're almost done. We copy the top number, 18 minus 6 squared root of 2, over 36 minus 8, that is 28. But we're not done yet. Now take a look at our numbers right here. As you can see, they're all divisible by 2. So yeah, let's just do that. If a fraction is simplifiable, we have to simplify it. So yeah, since they're all divisible by 2, so let's just divide them by 2. 18 divided by 2, that is 9. Negative 6 divided by 2, that's negative 3. Don't forget the root 2. Over 28 divided by 2, that is 14. Oops. Okay,